everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how you can wrap a ring using half hitch knots. Let's get started. Our first step is to take our rope and just fold it right in half. And I am using 6mm twisted cord for this video, and I have it about 5 feet long. After I have my rope folded in half, I'm just going to send half of that through the ring, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is take the rope here on the right, and I'm just going to take it right behind the ring so that we have this loop up top, and the rope goes over the ring and then under the ring. So that's what our little loop up top should look like. Then I'm going to take the rope here on the right and send it up through the ring, then over and through that loop. And then I'm just going to pull that tight. And so I take that rope again right behind the ring. I send the rope here on the right through the ring, over, and then through the loop up top that we formed. And then you pull that tight. And this is what's going to cause our half hitch knots to line up next to each other. And I'm just going to keep repeating these steps so that rope on the right comes behind the ring so that we have this loop up top. We then send the rope that's on the right through the ring. It goes over and through the loop. And you pull it through. And then you pull it tight. So once you've gotten quite a few knots done on your right side, it's time to start working with our left string. So what I like to do is just take my ring and flip it around so that I can just repeat the exact same steps I was doing before. If you don't flip your ring, you'll have to kind of change it up a little bit and do reverse half hitches, which can be a little tricky. So what I like to do is just flip my ring around and make it simpler. So the rope that is on the right comes behind the ring here, so we have a loop. Then it comes through that ring, and I send it through the loop, just like we were doing before. But now I'm using my other string so that we even them out. I take the string right behind to form a loop. The rope comes through the ring, and then through the loop. And if you want to stop with just half of your ring covered, it looks really cool. I think that it has a really cool design to it with half the ring exposed and half of it covered. So this would be cool for anything you'd like, a cool pendant or a belt buckle or just decorative parts of wall hangings or plant hangers, anything really. I just think it looks cool. But if you want to finish the ring, then we'll just keep doing the same steps we were. I'm going to take my ring and flip it back around so that I can do more on the other side to make sure my ropes stay even. And there you go. This is what your ring will look like once it's completely covered in half hitch knots. It is such a cool pattern that is perfect if you want to start a plant hanger with a ring, but you want to cover it in your rope. I think this is a really great method to do that. I think this design also works great for belt buckles, for any kind of pendant and jewelry, or as just decorative pieces in wall hangings. I think that it would look great as eyes in owls, so you can really play around and just be creative with this method. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.